27th Friday, October 2023. The Battle Within. With my mind, I am a slave to the law of God, but with my flesh, I am a slave to the law of sin. There are paradoxes in human nature. Psychologists would say the nature which we nurture is the one that dominates. Today, St. Paul says that he is nurturing one and the growth is null. On the contrary, he is suppressing the other, but growth is plentiful. It is a fact that there are black and white shades in human lives. There is a constant battle within oneself about what to do and what not to do. There are many times we may fall into the trap of evil, which is covered with thick fog in front of us with no way to move forward. In those moments, Jesus tells us that even death is not the end, but we have life after death. The sin we commit against Him is not the end, because He is purifying us with His body and blood every day in the sacrament of Eucharist. Jesus gives us hope to journey along with Him with our limitations. Our limitations are not the barricades to receive His grace, but the stepping stones to move nearer to Him. There is a saying that every saint is a past sinner. The self-conversion is the key and a beacon to a saintly life. This is the greatest weapon to win the battle which is within the human mind. Pray and practice. All-powerful God, we pray for the spirit of discernment so that we may heed the Spirit to do the right and avoid sinful moments.